I just look like shit because finals are done. Woo! So let's show you how dirty my room is. So first off, we got a lot of Christmas presents, garbage. I just got Amazon package. Yeah, PJs, clothes, I know. And boom! I know, dirty. Garbage. Coffee. But all this, we're gonna fix it, you guys. We're gonna fix it. You see that? That's what the stars call me. Call me. Vlog for the whole day, so you guys are gonna come with me. We already cleaned my room and now it's I think 2 o'clock. Bruh. And I have work at 4 and I look like this. Listen guys, it's finals week. I've been stressing out. I've had like 3 hours of sleep the last 3 days. My first one I got a 90. But we had a cheat sheet, so gotta put that out there because I can't hype myself up too much. Like, if I had the cheat sheet and I got like a 75 or a 70 on that final, that would be concerning. But I got a 90, so that's good. So that means I think I got like 2 or 3 wrong, which that's still concerning because I don't know what I got wrong. I really don't. My second final, I got a B. Did I? It was an 81. Is that a B or a C? And then. No, and then. No. Okay. And then on my third that part of that final is a paper. So I'm hoping I get 100% on that bad boy. And then on my other final, I got an 86. Yeah, buddy. It was my final zine project. Zine, whatever. For Dr. Dieter. I presented it yesterday. I was freaking out, but it went well. Literally, the only reason I didn't get an A was because of my A citations, which I don't know how. I thought I did that. And that's good. That's good. Papa. Why can't I just be skinny and pretty and no acne and have a boyfriend and be stress-free and be rich? Instead, I'm here. No, Gabby, we're not gonna get negative. We're okay. I'm alive. I'm breathing. Christmas is coming up. My birthday's coming up. I have good friends. I have good coworkers. I have good classmates who I consider my friends. I think. Trinity's awesome. You know, I'm here. I'm alive. I was listening to music. I can breathe. I can drive. Can't complain. Can't complain. Amen. Can't complain. Can't complain. Alrighty, I think this is good. We're gonna leave this bad boy on for a little bit. Ooh, do I look cute? I think I look cute. That's my Madre calling Gabe. I don't think she knows that he's in the shower. Why do I match the shirt? Fun fact, you know I never watched this movie. Millie, if you're watching, they're gonna come at me. Never watched this movie before. What is it called again? I was gonna say at. Oh my god. Self-serve. E.T. I've never watched this movie. I probably shouldn't be wearing this since I've never watched it. Maybe I'll do that tonight. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that tonight. Where they're like, how much we making tonight? And they're like, 500. So my goal, it's a Thursday night. It's slow. You know, it's holiday season. So if you ask me how much I'm making tonight, 180. 180. Let's see if I'm accurate. I'll catch you guys in 4 hours. And here we have Selena hosting in the kitchen. Right. Get to work. Cooks made of beef tacos. And Mercy got more.
My fourth taco.
Oh, that looks good. I had 2 tacos, but oh look at there's Nelson.
How was your taco?
But I don't want to eat no more. You know, everything in moderation. But it was very good. I'm so high. This is Selena.
Yeah, we broke her fasting
You're not supposed to let him know.
with 1 French fry
And then a couple more.
and then 2 tacos.
Yeah.
What else?
And then
Remember
nothing more.
You'd be like, Marcy, should I do French fries right now or should I go run? I'm like, run!
Dude,
I'm like French fries.
yeah, I need to go run for real. Everyone that's watching this video, come eat at the pit. We have specials every day from Monday to Friday. Friday, half off cocktails. That's tomorrow. Come on by. Look at how pretty. It's cozy. We have Christmas music. What more can you ask for? What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm home. Work is over. It's been a great day. I know this is a really random vlog, but if you like this, let me know. Maybe the next time I vlog, it'll be more exciting. But we'll see where this goes. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Let's go!